This is an example of one of the Applez2Applez corporate decision support recommendations for an optimal competitive sales and marketing attack plan. Your customers are always making choices between your products and the products and services of those of your competitors. If you can help consumers cut through the corporate fog, you will have just made a first step towards a successful customer loyalty strategy. Applez2Applez is designed to ensure that your offerings and the entire customer lifecycle experience compares favorably to and differentiates you from other customer choices. In this competitive marketplace, only relative value counts. Consider for a moment the difference between the brand images of Starbucks and CVS. Starbucks' offerings and experience say something positive about the consumer as a differentiated person and reinforce positive self-image. CVS, no matter how well they execute, sells items that are available from every drugstore, let alone most other general merchandise stores. The winning healthcare customer loyalty strategy recognizes the critical need for differentiation in your consumer value proposition and your consumer's definition of what your healthcare brand represents. The Applez2Applez platform decisively offers a differentiated experience for your healthcare ecosystem business partners as well as your end consumers. Applez2Applez delivers all aspects of the differentiated experience strategy for the healthcare ecosystem companies. This is done at a lower cost and with a more permanent impact than is currently the case with the temporary customer rental approach. Modeling and predicting consumer buying behavior opens up a transformational opportunity for ecosystem health companies to better manage their internal customer loyalty costs and significantly reduce their customers' expenditures for wellness and healthcare. Determining the relationship between the why and the when of consumer buying behavior is the key to Applez2Applez decision support modeling. Understanding of this relationship will allow healthcare ecosystem companies to achieve breakthroughs in two related areas: anticipate future end consumer behavior and have the time runway to develop optimal sales and marketing strategies by skating to the puck, and intersect emerging consumer preferences and needs rather than responding to historical ones, and modify strategies in healthcare services and products to take advantage of where the consumer demand will be in the future and who and where the optimal customers will be. The Applez2Applez decision support Omni engine for your healthcare ecosystem company will recommend specific customer sales, marketing, product, and service development actions from a competitive perspective. Goals seek to the optimal portfolio of healthcare products and services, customers and distribution channels, and deliver significant opportunities for reducing costs, increasing share of market, and overall profitability. Applez2Applez performs a comprehensive analysis of the consumer population and will help healthcare ecosystem companies determine optimal segmentation strategies based, among others, on common and consumer healthcare buying behavior. Further, with a thorough understanding of what different end consumer segments value, what they prefer, and why they buy, it is only a short step to creating a clear mapping to the healthcare solution characteristics that will appeal most strongly to each segment. The trending assessment feature of the Applez2Applez Omni Decision Support Engine anticipates emerging healthcare consumer changes in segmentation or buying behavior patterns. This creates a time-to-market runway to empower companies to put preemptive strategies into effect to take first-to-market competitive advantage. Healthcare consumers increasingly show sustainable loyalty only to those goods and services where they experience a direct fit with their personal values and preferences. They need to see themselves through the prism of a healthcare ecosystem company's offerings and interactions, and they use loyalty programs as a reward for bonding decisions they have already made. The solution is a new customer loyalty paradigm, using consumer loyalty as a leading and not a lagging strategy, and developing approaches that provide ongoing customer loyalty without heavy reliance upon the exclusive need of financial incentives and discounts. For this reason, it is as important to focus on what not to do as it is to deploy this most successful best practice. Loyalty cannot be bought for life. Attempts to purchase healthcare consumer loyalty without understanding the personal value that gives birth to true customer loyalty are frequently doomed to expensive failure. Temporary customer rental strategies by using financial incentives and discounts may fuel short-term purchases. but the consumer switches back when the financial incentive is withdrawn with little or no sustainability of future purchases. Applez2Applez provides your customers and prospects with a unique high value adding solution that can dramatically improve their wellness and lower their healthcare costs, offer a strong non-financial reason for building their long-term loyalty by association with your branded interactive communications, sharply differentiate your brand in the competitive healthcare marketplace, and strategically and tactically link your customer loyalty strategies with your ongoing sales, marketing, and operations business processes. This concludes the video on the Applez2Applez corporate solution.